Your kidneys are working around the clock, every single second of every single day, filtering your blood, flushing out toxins, and keeping your entire body in balance. But here is the thing nobody talks about. What you eat first thing in the morning either supports that process or quietly tears it down. And most people have absolutely no idea which side of that line their breakfast falls on. I am Dr. Sarah Chen, and welcome back to BioWell Hub, where we break down the science behind real health so you can actually take action. Today, I am going to share with you the top 3 breakfast choices that actively flush toxins from your system and help repair your kidneys fast. These are not complicated recipes or expensive superfoods. These are simple, accessible meals that you can start making tomorrow morning, and the difference you will feel over the next few weeks will be remarkable. Let us start with number 1. The lemon and warm water smoothie base with blueberries. Now, before you scroll past, hear me out. Lemon juice is naturally acidic, and when it enters your body, it does something incredibly powerful. It increases citrate levels in your urine, which actively discourages the buildup of calcium oxalate crystals, the most common type of kidney stones. Lemon also helps filter the blood and flushes out waste and toxins that your kidneys are constantly working to remove. When you pair that with blueberries, you are adding one of the most potent antioxidants on the planet. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, which are compounds that directly fight inflammation in your kidney tissue. Studies have shown that these antioxidants can protect your kidneys from oxidative damage, which is one of the leading contributors to kidney decline over time. So your morning meal here is simple. Start your day with a glass of warm water squeezed with fresh lemon juice. Give your kidneys about 20 minutes to begin absorbing that. Then blend a small handful of blueberries with water or a low-phosphorus plant milk like rice milk or oat milk and drink that right after. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 2 is the oatmeal topped with apples and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Oats are remarkable for kidney health, and here is exactly why. They are loaded with soluble fiber, specifically a compound called beta-glucan, which supports heart health and helps regulate cholesterol, both of which directly impact how well your kidneys function. When your cardiovascular system is under less strain, your kidneys do not have to work overtime to compensate. Now, add sliced apples into the mix, and you are introducing pectin, a type of fiber that binds to toxins sitting in your intestines. This reduces the overall toxic load that your kidneys have to filter in the first place. You are essentially easing the burden on your kidneys before they even get involved. And here is where it gets even better. A small teaspoon of apple cider vinegar stirred into your oatmeal or taken on the side increases antioxidant levels in your body and helps balance blood sugar. It also contains citric acid, which has been shown to dissolve mineral buildup in the kidneys. This is not a trick or a trend. This is biochemistry working in your favor every single morning. The third breakfast, and honestly one of my personal favorites, is a savory egg and vegetable scramble with rice. Eggs, when eaten in moderation, provide high-quality protein that your body needs without overwhelming your kidneys. The key here is moderation, 1 or 2 eggs maximum. Pair those eggs with low-potassium vegetables like red peppers, mushrooms, and a little garlic. These vegetables are specifically chosen because they support kidney function without adding excessive potassium or phosphorus, 2 minerals that stressed kidneys struggle to regulate. Now, serve all of that over a bed of plain white rice. Rice is one of the most kidney-friendly grains on the planet. It is low in both potassium and phosphorus. It is easy to digest, and it gives you sustained energy without putting extra strain on your filtration system. This meal is filling, satisfying, and quietly doing repair work inside your body while you go about your day. Now, I want to be transparent with you. Your kidneys are actually self-cleaning organs. They are designed to do this work on their own. But the reality is that modern diets, low water intake, processed foods, and chronic stress can all interfere with that natural process. What these 3 breakfasts do is remove the roadblocks. They reduce inflammation, lower the toxic burden, and give your kidneys the nutrients they need to function at their best. If you are already dealing with kidney issues or have been diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, please work with your doctor before making any major dietary changes. But if you are healthy and you want to keep it that way, start your mornings with intention. Your kidneys are keeping you alive. The least we can do is feed them right. That is all for today. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below telling me which one of these 3 breakfasts you are going to try first. Until next time, stay well. This is Dr. Sarah Chen, signing off from BioWell Hub.